Hi guys, this is the Megatech channel, and today we're going to be showing you how to install HyperCam 2 onto your computer. Now first of all, what HyperCam is, it is a camera which records everything you do on your computer but without actually having a camera. So it's useful if you want to make your own tutorials, or if you just want to record what you're doing or what you're looking at and stuff. So Mr. Tech, aka the Cybertech, is gonna show you how to install it.
First guys, you're just gonna type in HyperCam 2 free download. Although this is not a free product, you're gonna actually download the unregistered version of HyperCam, and it's perfectly legal. It's alright. And yeah. First you're just gonna click on the first link on Google, and it's gonna bring you to this site. If it does not bring you to this site, we'll put the description of this link on our YouTube page. First you're just gonna go to download now. Obviously it says HyperCam 2 17.02. You know, it's up to you if you want to read anything else you wanted to read. But you can just go download now. I'm just gonna click on that. Once it brings you there, I'm just going to stop it loading because I've already downloaded it. And once you've downloaded it, you're actually going to go to your desktop. Once you've gone to your desktop, it's going to look like something like this. It's going to say HyperCam 2. This is the installation, and it's just going to walk you through. Obviously I've already installed this, and I'm recording it off HyperCam right now, so it's not going to actually work. Although it's very self-explanatory to get through the setup. I'm just going to give you the main menu over here. Once it starts up, it's going to look like something like this. It's going to have select region, select window. It's pretty
You are watching Fraternity at Work.